Josh here, SoCal mobbing. Today, we're working on the Razor. Oh, Yeller. Putting on a new steering wheel with a quick disconnect. Made by Tusk. And we have a Tusk wheel hub adapter for steering wheel hub adapter, I mean. Replacing the stocky. It's just way too slippery, so I went with a suede steering wheel. So hopefully I get more grip with it. It's pretty nice. Just getting her done. Check with you in a little bit. What's up, guys? Josh here, SoCal mobbing. So, as you can see, we're laying out the parts for the new doors on the Razor. They're solid black doors, all metal. Should be good. Get rid of these junk, annoying sounding, vibrating, clunking doors.